If x is less than 0, is y greater than 0? So we know that x is negative, and we'd like to know whether y is positive. Statement number 1 says that x over y is negative. Well, we know that a negative divided by a negative would be a positive, but a negative divided by a positive would be negative. So the only way that x divided by y can be negative is if y is positive. So this statement is sufficient. This allows us to answer the question, yes, y is positive. So now we have to put that aside. Statement number 2, y minus x is greater than 0. Well, this is an interesting statement because what we know here is we're subtracting a negative, and subtracting a negative is the same as adding a positive. So for example, suppose x equaled negative 5. Well, then y could be positive, and y minus negative 5 would be positive, but y could also be negative. So for example, 2 minus negative 5 is 7, that's greater than 0, but negative 1 minus negative 5 is positive 4, that's also greater than 0. So y could be either positive or negative. Because y could be positive or negative, this statement does not allow us to determine uniquely an answer to the question. So this statement is insufficient. Statement number 1 is sufficient, statement number 2 is sufficient, answer choice A.